Hey, this is Rivers with KLM Bike and Fitness. Today we're going to teach you how to change a flat tire. This is a basic skill that every cyclist should know. So let's get started. This is what you'll need to change your flat tire. Set of tire levers. Good quality Pedro's levers will do great. New tube, same size as your old one. Patch kit will work if you don't have a new tube. And of course, an air pump to get you back on the road. Step one, we're going to want to remove the wheel from the bike. The easiest way to do this is to release the quick release, unthread until you can remove from the dropouts. Step two, you're going to want to take your tire lever and start prying off the flattened tire from the rim. Step three, you're going to want to remove the punctured tube from the tire, followed by inspecting the inside of the tire for any potential punctures. Step four, you want to take your new tube, inflate it just enough to give it some shape so we can place it back into the tire. Step five, to get the tire back onto the rim, start at the valve and roll the bead of the tire over the rim all the way around until the tire is completely on. Step six, we're going to slowly inflate the tire, keeping a close eye on the bead to make sure that it won't pop off the rim. Final step, take your wheel, place it back on your bike, and you are ready to go ride. Now you know how to fix a flat. Again, this was Rivers with KLM Bike and Fitness. If you have any additional questions, give us a call. Stop on by, we're here for you.